pretty in him big cushion chair. Radar going crazy but him act like nothing there. Pilot file a report them, bury it deep. Non-human craft are cruising while the public them sleep. Sound asleep, fast asleep. Pentagon release the footage, oh wait, pull it back. Classify it overnight and cover up the track. 17 agencies are lying through them teeth. True sitting in a hangar, 7 levels underneath. Underneath, way underneath. Them know, oh yes, them know. Been knowing all along, ask the question, get the nothing, that's how this thing gone. Them know, them definitely know. Before you draw your breath, truth locked in a hanger, classified to death. Yeah. Grush step to Congress, chest out in the sun. Non-human biology and the cover not done. Senator asks a question, redacted page arrive. Them silence every whistleblower daring to survive. Survive, just to survive. Hey. Gimbal video floating round the internet for free. Official answer still nothing there to see. Orb above the carrier pulling 17G. No wings, no propulsion, that's not physics, that's a key. A key, the whole key. Them know, oh yes, them know. Been knowing all along, ask the question, get the nothing, that's how this thing gone. Them know, them definitely know. Before you draw your breath, truth locked in a hanger, classified to death. And the funny thing, the really funny thing, is them fix them tie. Them clear them throat, them look you dead in the eye, and them say, nothing, not a thing. Toast for the truth, toast for the light. Toast for every pilot silenced in the night. Toast for Grush, toast for the orb. Toast for every radar screen. Them try make you forget what your own two eyes seen. Them can redact the paper, them can classify the sky, but just